Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn physiology easily. Begin by grasping foundational anatomical concepts. This provides essential context. Then, approach complex physiological systems by breaking them into smaller, more digestible components. Utilize visual learning tools such as diagrams and flowcharts to clarify intricate processes and relationships. This structured approach makes the initial learning phase much more effective and less overwhelming. To truly master physiology, engage with the material actively. Practice active recall by testing yourself frequently rather than passively rereading. Try explaining complex physiological concepts out loud as if teaching someone else. This highlights gaps in your knowledge. Always strive to link new information to existing knowledge, creating a robust mental framework. This deepens your understanding and improves retention significantly. Applying your knowledge is crucial for long-term retention. Regularly work through practice questions and clinical case studies to see how concepts apply in real-world scenarios. Make sure to review challenging topics frequently, perhaps dedicating 15 to 20 minutes daily to reinforce them. Consider forming study groups to discuss and clarify difficult areas with peers, offering different perspectives and insights. Finally, maintaining motivation and consistency is key to success. Set realistic, achievable study goals to ensure steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Remember to take short, regular breaks during your study sessions to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Acknowledge and celebrate your small achievements along the way. This positive reinforcement will significantly boost your motivation and keep you engaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.